So this is my WordPress website. So in this I'm adding for particular one video. So video adding will be totally two steps. Totally two steps. One is called search your video. Any video, first of all, is the main YouTube URL, or else share. The option called is embed code. I explain for two processes on your WordPress. Premium WordPress and free WordPress. Both are option will be same. Premium and free website. First of all, you can go to your WordPress dashboard. Create your new page. The page calls videos. First, any icon upload by image is the first priority. Anyone first will be added by image is the first priority. So I'm adding for image is the first priority. Select. Next. I'm selecting for this video already. Okay. First copy the main YouTube URL. I'll show the two process. One is YouTube main URL. Second will be embed. So go to add media. In this, just go to option call is embed process. Select YouTube. Copy the URL and embed it. So that video will be uploaded. And the second option is we can't change any option by your coding. Second one, select your video, share. The option call is embed. Copy the code. So first of all, why we can select by embed code? Embed code nothing but you can set by the width and height changing purpose. So here my width will be 560, height will be 350. Copy. Same one. Select your add media. In this you can select it for formatting. Set by your code. Write a code. So you can call option is 30 per form. This is a actual size by 560 and 350. Suppose you can change your option. Edit HTML. So what are the my width 560? I'm adding for 650. Height 400. In this width and height will be changed. This will be I'm adding with the URL. This will adding for with the my own width and my own height. So what are the premises? The required size. You can change your height and width. The option is called YouTube video. Select by share. The option called is embed code. So that the option will be using by the embed is and one is the code option and using by YouTube. Anything you can select by the particular option. Code, YouTube and embed code. Three option is eligible by the particular option. Main you are eligible by the embed code and YouTube. Embed code is used by the coding option. So this one. So clear? Which is not required. Select it and remove it. Add here. Click for publish. Now you can check by your home page. Click for videos. Is it clear? This is called your embed code to add by your website. But YouTube will be played by in your WordPress site.